Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna go over the very basics of Krita. So you can just open up Krita and you'll have your defaults view of it. First thing I do is I just go to new file. Right now I have it at 1900 by 2800 pixels. You can click on this or this to choose landscape or portrait mode. But for now, these dimensions should be okay, or you could pick your defaults. I would say somewhere above 500, up to 2800 or something like that, so you don't get too huge, but not too small. So I'm going to hit create, and then so as an illustrator or painter, draftsman, I just go to my brush tool over here, B for brush, and then you can come down here and pick one of these brushes and just start drawing. If you would like to erase, you don't have to click on one of these actual erasers. You can just hit the letter E for eraser, or click on this eraser up here. When it's lit up, then it's on eraser mode, then you can erase. You can expand your brush size by hitting the right bracket, or holding it down, or tapping it multiple times. And you can make it smaller by hitting or holding down left bracket. I just came back into brush mode by hitting the letter E again, so eraser mode, brush mode. Alright, those are the basics of Krita. Thank you for watching.